So today guys we're gonna learn how to make some traditional Moroccan sweets. So we call it the cookie of a cup or something like that. I don't know how to describe it, but we cook it in a cup, actually in aluminum cup that we don't have anymore. So I used just like my pan to cook in it, or casserole. That's what I used. So, and it becomes like a flour and crunchy and very nice. So I hope you like it. Okay, follow with me the ingredients until the end and have a nice time. Hi everybody, so today I'm gonna share with you a very special sweet, I would call it, or like pastry that I grew up with, and it's very traditional to Morocco, and it's called like sweet of a cup or something, because usually, we used to cook it in a cup, but since I don't have a cup, I will cook it in a pan, but the pan should be like long, shouldn't be like wide, it should be like long. So you're gonna see with me. So for this sweet, I will need a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 egg, teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 cups of cake flour. Okay, so water, I have here like 2 cups and a half of water, so I will see how much I used from it. So I'm gonna pour just some water. So pour my baking soda, my egg, teaspoon of salt, okay, and as I said, like tablespoon of sugar. So tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so mix. Then now I will start adding my flour. So you can put all my flour and the baking powder and make a dough. It needs to be kneaded a little bit. So after I gathered my dough, this is the consistency I should have. See, so it's not sticky and it's not, in between. So now I have like to, again, cover it, and this should be set like for 4 hours. If you don't have time, you can make it like at night and start cooking in the morning. So I will let it set for 4 hours before I continue again. Okay, hi everybody again. So after our dough was set like for 4 hours, now I will try to make like very little balls out of it with the help of some oil. See, first of all try to take the air out, and now making just little tiny balls out of it. And after we do this, we have to let it sit for another half hour before we start cooking. Okay, and this is how I measure equal balls. Same thing we do with melwy, with cinnamon. It's the same exact way. Okay guys, so after I form all like equal balls, I will cover them and let them sit for another half hour. If it's cold, it will need like more than half hour. Now because it's hot, that's why I said half hour. And I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so after our dough has rested for about 30 minutes, so this is the bowl I told you, it should be long. So I have to pour like cooking oil in this one. So I have to pour about 2 cups of cooking oil. Okay, so just like half of my pan, and heat it up like it should be like very hot before I put my sweets in it. Okay guys, so after my pan or my oil is hot, then now I can, you know, straighten like my bowl, and this is how I do it. So put some oil in the bottom and start stretching. Okay. So after I stretch it, I will cut it. Take one layer and leave one, take one and leave one, take one, and do this. And this is how I'm gonna put it like in my pan. My pan is very hot, so I'm gonna just put it like this and take a fork and try to open it like with my fork, just a little, so that it gives me like a form of a flower, sort of. So leave it like for 1 minute or 30 seconds, then flip until you get like goldish color. Okay, so after flipping it, this is how it should look like. Okay, then put it in a strainer just to get rid of the rest of the oil. So guys, so one way of decorating this, so this is honey, so I'm just like putting my switch on a plate and try to put like honey just all over it like this. You don't have to dip it in honey, just like this. Okay. And another way is you can spread like some of a powdered sugar on the top instead of honey. So I'll show you the rest. So okay guys, so here is our sweets. So this one I put like some honey on it, and this one just powdered sugar. So, and this is our recipe for today. So hope you like it and hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching, and see you in next video.